So here we have a 1971 MGB, pretty much stock, but it was time for some carpeting, and with the extra time that I had during the coronavirus issue, decided to get some carpet and go ahead and lay that in. You can see that I've glued most of it in. The bottom panels have little pop rivets, but the issue that I ran into was the seats, and putting back the seats, the carpeting was too thick to use our shorter little screws that just didn't quite reach the nut on the bottom of the car. So when I took the seats out, I actually took out the block on the back of the rail, so the seat would go back a little further. That'll come in handy when we put the seats back in. It gives us an extra inch or so, and that's pretty important actually. When we put these back in, I think what we're going to do is angle it a little bit, because it hits this corner. The seats hit that corner if you move it up too far. So I think we're going to start with this corner to put the first bolt in. Hopefully the second bolt we can put into this side. And I use these nails to guide where the holes were and where I needed to cut this out. So pretty much have cut this out. I just need to clean it up a little bit and do the other side. So that will eliminate some of that padding that would cause a problem in reaching the nut on the bottom. So once we cut this out, we can use the wooden support instead of just using the round grommets to lay the seat on, so it can lay all the way across the wooden part and reach that nut on the bottom. So just a heads up, I've got some contact glue that I'm going to glue the carpeting down once I get it all cut out, and it should work out pretty good. The seats themselves should clean them up a little bit, grease them just lightly, get them all ready to go back in, do any repairs that you need to do to the seat, and they should just fit in just right. Just a heads up on this, because it was quite an issue trying to get to the nut on the bottom of the car. Have a great day and enjoy your MGB. Bye-bye.